Well, hello everyone, welcome to Praveen 3D Tutor. Today I'm going to show you very awesome, cool looking effect in Blender. So, which is on the screen, you can see a looping animation, triangle looping animation, which changes color. So, it's quite simple. If you want to see the another one, which is easy one, will be in the description. You can check the links. And if you just want to see the color changing technique, there's a timestamp in the description. Just click on that. So before going to start anything, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can make more videos and you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And if you support me and my work, please follow on my Patreon and the files will be uploaded on Sunday. So let's get started, guys. Here I have default cube here. This is a cube. So first of all, I will delete the lamp here. We don't need it. Okay. Next. We can first we can go for cube or we can go for the camera to make adjustments. So first we'll go for the camera by selecting left clicking and go for top view so that we can align on y-axis here. So press G and align to this green line here, you can see on the screen. Then press 3. So here you can see uh, it's not aligned to the green line. So press G and Z, move it down to the green line. Okay, now once again go to top view, zoom in a little bit so that you can see, press and hold shift alt so you can pan in your workspace. Then simply rotate it, guys, to center like this. You can see on the screen. Then press 3, once again rotation and rotate. Okay, so this will be our default camera. So we'll come out of orthographic view by pressing 5. Then now select a cube here. So what we'll do about this cube, simply go to tab mode, go to face selection here. Okay, sorry, select the bottom face, then press S, then Y, sorry, then X, then press 0. So here on the screen you can see it's look like simple triangle. So I'll press tab, I'll scale it a little bit so that it can manage here. So let's see. Okay, it looks fine. So okay, in the camera view it looks okay. So simply go to once again go to tab view here. Okay, so here we need to cut these faces here. Select these faces, shift and click once again. Sorry, okay, delete, then delete faces. Here also delete faces. Okay, now I'll disable the X-ray view. Now it's quite simple, guys. Add a looper here. Then press 3 on your keyboard to face selection. Select every face. Then hold shift and select every face here. Okay, then go to materials. Pick any material. By default, material for the entire triangle will be black. Then I'll create a new material here. Then click on new. Before doing anything, go to here surface and change it to emission. Then change the color here. As you can see, its color to like I'll go for blue, light blue. Okay, then change the strength value to like 15. Okay, I'll go for 10 and press enter. And you can click on assign here. So you can okay. Next, come out of your edit mode, pressing tab. Then go for modifiers, array modifier, and it's comes side. So just untick it relatively and go for consistency and tick it. You can go for y-axis here. So once here you can see it's aligning properly or not in y-axis here. So it's slightly now it's perfect. So let's check it on tab view here. Okay, it's okay. Press tab once again to come out of your edit mode. Then here you can see the count is 2. So just change it to 30 or you can go for 60 or any in numbers. It doesn't matter, depends upon you how long the duration should be. Let's check it out in the camera view. Looks good. Next is quite simple, guys. It's quite simple. You need to go to world and change the world color to black. It's quite simple. And go for scene, scene properties, and click on the bloom, then Z, and render. Here you can see the view. Okay, let's check it out on the camera view. Next is the important part here, not the timeline. So go to end frame, click on it and press 60 to end the frame. Okay, it's quite easy and simple. So for the first frame, press I. So first of all, you need to select the camera here, then select go to first frame here and click on I. Location rotation scale, it's quite simple. Then go to frame 60, zoom out little bit, and I'll just pan here. Then I'll press G, Y, and move our camera a little bit here. Okay, then press I, location rotation scale. Then go to camera view, then play the animation. So the animation looks good, guys. It's awesome. So but it you need to make it a linear animation, so stretch it out a little bit and make a go to graph editor here, and I think keys, where is that, interpolation or interpolation mode, go to linear, and the animation looks smooth. Okay, we don't need that. We will pause the animation and align it here. So everything is looks fine, but we need to make the color like this to change the color. So first of all, we will go for the frame 20 here. Then now we'll go and select the triangle and go to the materials tab here. And here comes the tricky part, guys. It's quite easy. Uh, Click on the your mouse cursor should be on the color, and press I, and it will add a keyframe. Then simply jump to frame 40, then click on it and change the color to slightly like orange. Okay, then click on I. So the keyframe is added on the screen. You can see I'll just stretch it out here. As you can see, these are the keyframes, and I think I will make these frames also linear by double tapping here, keys, interpolation mode, and like click on linear and just play the animation here. So it looks cool, guys. It looks cool. The color is changing from blue to an orangish color. So guys, this is the simple method how you can make this cool intro for your YouTube channel or maybe anything. So you don't need anything, just a blender, not any single plugin I used in this intro video, or you can see any, you can use it anyway. So if you want it, this file will be uploaded into Patreon on Sunday. You can use it there. And guys, thanks for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, just click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications regularly when I upload new videos. Please do support me on Patreon, guys.